Kajingrai ke Supreme Court ban ailat ban ti Dewiong ha kajilla kelawanra kajing Kmen ya ke Sorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance MDA. Habagran sikilat patai kubor. Usumbut menteri rangba kajilla ubak Preston Tensong Uloong bakarai kedai kajing sa kan mau. Uloong baka Sorkar MUA belailam u Dr. Mukul Sangma kamsim lala LAA nrai ke syukran he nia tang kaktin nadu bakhang Dewiong hausnam arjar katsau. Ulong baka Supreme Court kelapan mi ya ko hukum ba Dewiong udai jong kiriu simet hakane ke jela bat kala ailat banti Dewiong tang ba hab ban penbiang syai ka mining plan ban ka benta kane ka Sorkar kala deb ban IT artli kisnat ka Sorkar pedang ban penkre ya ka plan wa Preston ulong ka wei ka kendon ka hukum ke Supreme Court kalong ban yadai ka mariang ulai thuru baka Sorkar kala deb ru ban lum kumba arspa klur na ki nong khayi Dewiong ban sewi ka kuna bala hukum ke Supreme Court nak benta ban penwandur biang ya ki jaka belati iu Dewiong. Katkum ke jingong uba Preston kane ka rai ka de ke jingkemen ke ban pensa kan mau ke jela. Ulakam bakani ke kam kala urlong hadien baka Sorkar MDA kala simkhia ban bu ka kunhun nong saj an baklan Supreme Court bat ban buddin bhai kane ka kam.
I should say it is so historical to the government of Meghalaya as well as to the people of Meghalaya, I should say, because today morning, the Honorable Apex Court, Supreme Court of India has given an historic judgment, and it is a landmark for the people of Meghalaya. I think all of you know, when we go back to the year 2014, NGT came down so heavily on the issue of coal mining that has happened time immemorial, and they totally banned ultimately. And 2014, 15, 16, 17, 4 years of people suffered a lot. And in 2018, because the previous government, which was known as MUA government, they did nothing. They were just sitting idle on the table and they talked big without doing anything. So ultimately, the moment NPP-led government, in the name of MDA government, we took up this issue very seriously, and we took up this issue, as I said to you, to the Honorable Supreme Court. Today is so historic judgment given by the Honorable Supreme Court, where the land has been confirmed by the Honorable Supreme Court that the minerals and its surfaces, as far as Meghalaya state is concerned, belongs to the people of the state, belongs to the owner of the state of Meghalaya. And all these years, as I said to you, everybody, they were concerned, they were so restless when they talk about mining of coal. Because I think you remember the previous government under the leadership of Mukul Sangma. Once upon a time, even he submitted all the papers to the Ministry of Coal and to all the connected ministries, which he proposed that mining of coal should be transferred or should be handed over to MMDC. And you know well, MMDC, yes, it is a state government public undertaking. But if you talk about transferring the whole activities of mining, as far as Meghalaya state is concerned, meaning it tantamount to transfer of ownership to the MMDC. Okay? So therefore, MDA government, under the leadership of Shri Konrad Sangma, being the chief minister, the day one he took over as chief minister, we went down to Delhi so many times, unaccounted, I should say, and we met so many ministries, and not only that, we strengthened even our legal expert team as far as this issue is concerned. So ultimately, today I should say that people of Meghalaya, when we talk about the issue of ownership, Number one, the issue of ownership now remains with the stakeholders, or I should say, with the tribal people. That is number one. Okay, when you come back to the ruling, to the judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court today, well, as far as mining of coal is concerned, yes, MMDR Act is still applicable. When I say it is still applicable, meaning certain statutory laws, like if you talk about the issue of environment, if you talk about the issue of safety, people of the state has to comply these particular issues without fail. That's why the judgment today says that mining of coal will be allowed, provided mining plan is prepared and then put up to the state government, and the state government will send back to the government of India, and government of India will vet that mining plan, and after that it will come back and people can start mining of coal. This is number two. And number three, right from 2014, the order of the NGT has been set aside by the Honorable Supreme Court. Lakhs metric ton. So the Honorable Supreme Court says these extracted coal should be auctioned by the Coal India. Okay. Let Coal India auction this extracted coal, meaning the old stock, whatever we have. Maybe it is 37 or 40 lakhs metric ton, whatever we have. That is number one. And then Coal India, once the auction has taken place, this amount collected from the auction should be transmitted to the state government fund, and the state government will have to reimburse it to the miners.